Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon and spinach using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: fresh salmon fillets, a bag of spinach, a few cloves of garlic, and a lemon. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your salmon cooks perfectly. Finally, season your salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil, preparing them for the oven. Now, let's get that salmon cooking. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillets onto a baking sheet, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's done when it easily flakes with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's safe and delicious. While your salmon bakes, let's prepare the spinach. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Then, add your fresh spinach to the pan. Sauté it gently until it's completely wilted, which usually takes around 3 minutes. This quick method keeps the spinach vibrant and flavorful. Once your salmon is perfectly baked and the spinach is beautifully wilted, it's time to plate your delicious meal. Carefully place a salmon fillet next to a generous portion of the sautéed garlic spinach. For an extra burst of freshness, garnish your dish with a few fresh lemon wedges. This easy and healthy meal is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.